Yo, WinCrease team, what's going on? It is June 19th, 2021, and the market is officially closed. We're going to see how the market performed and possibly how it can perform next week. Let's head on to that chart mobile. The chart we're looking at right now is the S&P. S&P closed at 4166.45. So we closed lower than last week. We really would have liked to have pushed higher, but we didn't. We ended up pushing back to the lows from the last 2 weeks. That's not bad. We're not in a bad situation at all. We tested these lows and we closed and we held them. Now we want to see if we have a chance for the market to hold them next week. And if it does hold next week, then obviously we have a good chance of continuing to go back to test those highs. But right now we're on alert because we didn't have the bulls push through in order to make a decisive action candle. We didn't get it, but that's okay. We'll see what happens. So that is the S&P. Let's go ahead and check out the Russell, ticker IWM. The Russell did a similar action where we moved in and it did not follow through. We had some very strong action going into it, but now we are actually closed below our 20-day moving average. That's not usually a good symbol. We closed at 222.13. Record high is 234.53. That is pretty good of a close there. We're back in that range. We thought we were out of it. We closed pretty strong last week. They didn't hold on. That's usually not a good signal either. So I'm looking to see if that 220 strike is going to hold up this week, because we closed near the low 2 weeks ago, or 3 weeks ago, should I say. If this doesn't hold, we could end up going lower and starting to test out our 210 again, or even near our 200 level. Let's hope they hold that 220 level. That's it. Remember to check out Stocks and Bars episode that's coming out, and don't forget to check out Marathon Money every single Sunday, where Cam and Kenny, they give you their market perspective. And Marathon Money Plus, make sure you sign up for that. So you enjoy your weekend, and we'll catch you next week. All right, peace.